Hello everyone, welcome back to COTT Electronics. Today we'll be discussing advertisements, which may seem straightforward at first glance, but definitely requires your utmost attention, seeing as how it's one of the more complicated aspects of this portal. The prompt over here is fairly straightforward. You'll be able to easily see the stats for the campaign itself, including image, name, URL, MP4, the amount of views, and the specific dates. However, the actual setup requires very specific instructions, which we will go over individually. First, let's click the Campaign button. Once you've created a new name and description for your campaign, you can click plus new and get to work on creating a new advertisement. Select the campaign you created and fill in the name, after which you can use the URL or domain of whatever it is you're advertising. The dates indicate the running time for said advertisement, while the rest of the details define the true runtime of the interactive capabilities of the ad itself. Limit per device controls the amount of times the ad will run on a single device, while the interval per show refers to the amount of times we will show the ad per minute. The customer's control over said ad also depends on you, because it is you who decides how many seconds it will take for the guest to skip the entire ad. This option, as you can see, is called Guest Can Close Timeout. You will also need to set the timeout auto close, which determines how long it will take for the ad to close itself. Once you've figured out the specific parameters, you can decide what kind of ad you want to run. Your options are text, video, or a simple image, all of which must be accompanied by a title and a description. Thank you for watching, and for more helpful videos from COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.